Once there lived a lion who always roared in anger when he couldn't find any food to satisfy his hunger. Thanks for him. Hunted down animal prey, at least 2 or 3. The animals were worried, and so they gathered together. They made a plan to meet the lion and said to himself,
Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? Do you watch the movie?
Yes.
It was interesting or not?
Yes, it's interesting.
Okay, which character do you like the most?
I like the bear.
Okay, the bear. Okay, what moral lesson do you have learned?
I have learned one to work and try.
Very good. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? How was the movie? What's your opinion about the movie and its characters? Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? Hi. The movie was interesting or not?
Interesting.
Which character do you like the most?
Bear.
Bear. Why only bear?
The bear and his son was very protective.
Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? Do you watch the movie? It was interesting?
Yes.
Which character do you like the most and why?
Bear.
Okay. What moral lesson you have learned from the movie?
Both the father and son was very brave and protective.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
I live in Khan.
Okay. What is your opinion about the movie?
It's very interesting and
Which character do you like the most? Assalamu alaikum. What's your name? Okay. Why it was a good movie or not? It was interesting for you?
Yes.
What you have learned from the movie?
Sia.
Siha. Your favorite character is Siha? Okay. What you have learned from the movie? आपने क्या सीखा मूवी से?
एक father कैसे
Okay. Father sacrifices. Very good. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. How was the movie?
The movie was interesting.
Okay. Which character do you like the most?
Sia and the daddy bear.
Okay. What moral lesson do you have learned?
Our father sacrifices and more difficulties to save his son.
Very good. Thank you.